Hi guys, postman's bin. Well, Hermes every delivery person. 2 packages. This one's from eBay, that one's from AliExpress. This should be Fly Sky receivers. I think I ordered 2 because they were cheap. Yes, I did order 2. That's good. Fly Sky GR3E for cars and boats. In fact, I'll be using one of them to do another toy grade to hobby grade motorcycle conversion. Never know whether I ought to save this stuff or not. Anyway, yeah, okay, so a couple of them. Then this is 3 or 4 separate things from AliExpress. Should be some gears to fix animatronic Father Christmas. Oh, let's just check they haven't got labels on them. No individual labels for me anyway. Right, this should be the little controller dongle thing for some remote controlled switches that I bought. That when I bought, I thought I was buying a switch and a dongle or key fob. When it turned up, I just got the switches and no key fob. Okay, so that's the key fob. Got batteries in it. This one's probably the gears. So that should tell us. No. At least I don't speak Chinese, so even if it does tell us, I don't know. Gosh, how many times you've got to wrap it up? I'm not supposed to complain, but that is well packaged, over packaged. Can't even see them in there. Okay. They do look like the right size to me. It's the size of the hole in the middle that was most important, because I had some with the right number of teeth, but a much smaller hole, and I worked out that if I tried to drill it out, I would probably split the gear anyway. So that's a little project we got to finish putting back together. Okay, oh, I know what this is. It's another controller and receiver module. I did a demonstration with a 40 megahertz one the other day, and I was saying personally, if I wanted to do one, I would do it with a 2.4 gigahertz toy grade, because you get better range. So when I was this stuff, that was all I wanted, was the gears. But obviously you'd have to pay postage, and Now that was only pennies, and then you were going to have to pay about £3 or £4 postage. Whereas if I made it up to over £8, then I didn't pay postage. So I took the opportunity to order that, and while I was at it, I thought I'd order one of these. Here's me. I do like to package stuff. Right. So we have .4 gig, 7-channel circuit board, sliding and rotating remote control car module. So we can control up to 4 motors with it. Interestingly enough, I could have had them with plug and socket fittings, and it was about, I don't know, 5 or 10 pence cheaper than having bits of wire on them. And I don't need to control 4 motors, but I thought, well, we'll get it anyway. So I would assume forwards, backwards motor, left, right motor, and then you've got this thing in the middle for a few extra motors. Whether I'll do the same little remote control chassis that I did the other demonstration on, I'm not sure. 2 AA batteries. As I say, 2.4 gigahertz, so we should get a better range on it. So all we've got, on-off switch, capacitor, crystal. Oh, it does say LED there, but that's not fitted. Unless, no, I don't think that's an LED. One chip, one little transistor, and then 2 more chips. Those will be the H bridges for motors. So that chip there must do the full radio receiver and translator for the signals. That's what you find on the old ones. They're nearly always an RX2 chip, and then the rest of it, well, part of it will be the H bridge, and then the other part of it is actually the radio receiver circuit. Or if you're using infrared, it'd be the infrared circuit, but it'd still be the RX2 chip. This chip must do all the radio receiver bit and the signal conversion to control these H bridges. Anyway, I'm just looking there. It says L-, L+. So I guess that means you could put a LED across there if you wanted to. Okay, well, that'll be another little project. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.